Okay, next concept is trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Already explained that all trigonometric ratios. Okay, with the help of sides in a right angle triangle. Okay, now we have to discuss trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. What are they? 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. The specific angles are 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90, like that. Cos 0, cos 30, cos 45 degrees, cos 60 degrees and cos 90 degrees, like that. Okay, how to derive? I explain one by one. Listen carefully. Okay, first one is trigonometric ratios of with the specific angle 45 degrees. The value of sine 45, cos 45, tan 45, cot 45, secant 45, cosecant 45. Okay, this is the one of the specific angle like theta equal to 45 degrees. Okay, what is the values of all trigonometric ratios with 45 degrees? Very simple. We have to take one isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, how you can take isosceles right angle triangle? In isosceles right angle triangle, one angle carries 90 degrees and remaining two angles are equal. Because this is isosceles, that means two of the sides are equal. That means two sides are equal, their opposite angles also equal. Already this one occupied 90 degrees, remaining 45 degrees and 45 degrees. 45 and 45 degrees. Okay, like A, B, C. Okay, here angle B in triangle ABC, angle B equal to how much? 90 degrees. And remaining two angles are angle A and angle C equal to 45 degrees, because this is isosceles right angled triangle. Okay, if you want to find out the values of all trigonometric ratios with 45 degrees, we have to take a right angle triangle with isosceles. Okay, so now we have to take one of the angle like 45 and the side of this side of isosceles right angle triangle is A units. Okay, that means side AB and side BC are same. Let us take A units. Okay, let side AB equal to BC equal to like A units, because they are equal. Now we have to find out the hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse square equal to, that means AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. That means AC square equal to A square plus A square. Okay, so AC square equal to 2A square. Therefore, AC equal to, that means we have to find out the square root on both sides. So AC equal to root 2 and root A square. This root belongs to 2 and A square. This can be represented by root 2 into root A square. Square and root cancel, remaining root 2A units. So this is root 2A units. Okay, we got the value of hypotenuse. Now we have to find out all trigonometric ratios already whose lengths are founded. Okay, so like now sine 45 degrees. What is meant by sine? Sine 45 means opposite side of 45 degrees by hypotenuse. Okay, so opposite side of 45 degrees by hypotenuse. Okay, you take any 45, no problem at all. The opposite side of 45 is A units, same. Opposite side of 45 units, A units. Both are same. You take any 45 degrees. Okay, so opposite side of 45 degrees like BC. by hypotenuse is. BC equal to how much? A by AC equal to root 2 A cancel, that equal to 1 by root 2. So the value of sin 45 equal to how much? 1 by root 2. This is the proof of finding sin 45 degrees. Okay, now you write their reciprocal cosecant 45. Cosecant 45 means what? The reciprocal of sin 1 by sin 45. Simply 1 by 1 root 2. So after reciprocal you write root 2. Simply write the reciprocal of sine, that is cosecant. Okay, so sine theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Cosecant theta means the reciprocal hypotenuse by opposite side. Okay, so this is the cos 45 and cosecant 45. Now we have to discuss remaining all ratios. Okay, next one is cos 45. Cos 45 equal to adjacent side of 45 degrees by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side of 45? That is A. That is A. You take anyone, no problem. A by hypotenuse root 2A. A cancel, that equal to 1 by root 2. That means sin 45 also 1 by root 2. Cos 45 also 1 by root 2. Both are same. Now we have to find secant 45 degrees. Secant 45 means simply write their reciprocal. That means this is 1 by root 2, root 2 by 1. That means root 2. Because cos means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Secant means hypotenuse by adjacent side. Simply write the reciprocal. As well as next one is tan. Tan 45. What is meant by tan? Tan means opposite side of theta by adjacent side of theta. Okay, so opposite side of 45 degrees by adjacent side of 45. So opposite side of 45 is A units and adjacent side of 45 degrees also same A units. A by A, that equal to how much? 1. So that means the value of tan 45 equal to how much? 1. So tan 45 is equal to 1. Now we have to find out the cot 45 value. So cot 45 degrees. That means simply write the reciprocal. So 1 by 1, that equal to same 1. Okay, so tan means opposite side by adjacent side. Cot means adjacent side by opposite side. Okay, simply write the reciprocal. So tan 45 and cot 45 are also 1. So conclusion. What is the conclusion here? Conclusion. Here sin 45 and cos 45. Both the values are same. How much? 1 by root 2. As usual, cosecant 45 and secant 45. They are reciprocals, root 2. They are also same. And tan 45 and cot 45 is equal to same. What is that? 1. So this is the proof of all trigonometric ratios with a specific angle 45 degrees. Okay, sin 45, cos 45, 1 by root 2, same. See, cosecant 45, secant 45, root 2, same. Tan 45, cot 45 also same 1. So you have to do this same process on your rough book. Automatically they can store all the values in your mind. Okay.